Have you ever dreamed of a silent night's sleep without the constant snoring battles? That's exactly what the Snorinator claims to offer, the so-called most effective anti-snoring pillow ever invented. But is it really as revolutionary as it sounds, or just another overhyped sleep gimmick? The Snorinator.com has been around since April 2022 and has gained some attention online, with over 6,000 Facebook followers and nearly 800 on Instagram. It presents itself with transparency, showing real founders, clear contact information, and even Shark Tank backing, which instantly gives it more credibility than the usual faceless online brands. The product promises to align your neck and airway perfectly, reducing vibrations that cause snoring, and there are indeed many positive sleep reviews claiming noticeable improvements after a few nights. However, not every sleeper seems to agree. Some users report only minimal changes or say the pillow takes time to get used to, especially for those who switch sleeping positions often. The material quality appears decent, but for the price point, expectations are high, and not everyone finds it worth the investment. While the Shark Tank connection might sound impressive, it doesn't necessarily mean the product will work for everyone. It's more of a depends on your body type and sleep habits kind of situation. So, is the Snorinator a total scam? Not quite. But is it a miracle cure for snoring? Also not really. It sits somewhere in the middle. A potentially helpful tool for mild snorers, but maybe not the ultimate fix for chronic or medical snoring issues. If you're tired of sleepless nights, the Snorinator might be worth trying, but keep your expectations realistic. Comfort and silence don't always come in one pillow.